As you know that the transformer is the most important device in the AC transmission system because at the generating station it steps up the voltage while at the receiving inside it steps down the voltage level. Everybody knows that the transformer is a static device. So change in the phase sequence will not change the leakage impedance. So if the leakage impedance does not change, then even we change the phase sequence, so the impedances means sequence impedances will remain same, means positive sequence impedance will be equal to the negative sequence impedance, and that will be equal to the leakage impedance of the transformer. While zero sequence impedance of transformer depends upon the winding type, means star, delta, whether star grounded or ungrounded. And the representation of positive sequence and negative sequence, since it does not depend upon the sequence current, so that can be independently represented. Here you can see that positive sequence impedance has been represented by Z1, negative sequence impedance has been represented by Z2, but actually these Z1 and Z2 will be equal to the ZL, means leakage impedance of the transformer. So here the you can see that the first point, positive sequence and negative sequence impedances are independent of sequence current, while zero sequence impedance will in general have a different value depending upon the terminal, means terminal is star, delta, neutral, grounded or ungrounded. If neutral is not grounded, so zero sequence current cannot flow. If the neutral is grounded, then zero sequence current will flow, and if not grounded, then zero sequence network will be an open circuit. Here in this diagram, there are this neutral point, a star point, is not grounded. So you can see that the zero sequence current IA naught for phase A, for phase B, IB naught, and phase C, IC naught. All these three are zero. While here in this diagram, you can see that this neutral point or star point is grounded, so there will be a zero sequence current. Normally, these zero sequence currents are equal to each other, means IA naught will be equal to IB naught equal to IC naught. So finally in this case there will be 3 IA naught current that will flow through this neutral to the ground. Now in case of a delta connection, in the delta, there can be a circulating current or zero sequence current can flow, while in the terminal, there will not be any zero sequence current because there is a no return path available. Now, general zero sequence network of a transformer using two series switches and two shunt switches can be used to draw the zero sequence network of a transformer whether it is a star star, star delta, neutral grounded, or delta delta. That this will be very simplified way to draw the zero sequence network, right? So here two series switches A and B, two shunt switches C and D have been shown opened. If this is the primary side, this is the primary side, and this is the secondary side. So switch A is open, switch B is open, C is open, and D, and there is a zero sequence impedance that is has been shown here. Now, how this switch will behave, you can see here. Series switches of particular side is closed if it is star connected with neutral grounded. So any series switch will be closed if the transformer terminals are star connected and it's neutral grounded. So it will remain open if neutral is ungrounded or there is a delta, while shunt switches is closed if particular size is delta connector. Shunt switches will be only closed if on a particular side of a transformer it is a delta. Otherwise, it will be left open. Now we are taking the different cases to draw the zero sequence network of a transformer. So first case is star star connected, one neutral is grounded. So here in this case, on the LT side, the neutral or star point is grounded, while ST side neutral is ungrounded. So here, as per convention, if uh, star is not grounded, then series switch be left open. While there is a on the primary side or ST side as well as on the secondary side, there is a no delta, so the shunt switches has been left open. While the secondary side neutral point is grounded, so this will be closed, so this side switch has been closed. So equivalent representation of zero sequence network of this connection will be like this. So this is the equivalent zero sequence network of the this connection. When star and secondary side is delta is grounded, so this is the first case. Now second case, both sides are star but both neutral are ungrounded. There is a ungrounded, so as per uh, uh, series and shunt switches connection, since both the neutral are ungrounded, so both series switches will remain open. So see, this switch A and this switch B will remain open, while again both sides are star connection, there is a no delta, so this has been means shunt switches has been also left open. So this is the equivalent representation of star star uh, uh, connected transformer, both the neutral ungrounded. Now case 3, here transformer are is star star, both the neutral are grounded. So here, as per convention, the star point is grounded, both side means ST side as well as on the LT side. So both the series will be closed. So here switch has been closed, here switch has been closed. Again the both there is a no delta on both sides, so both the shunt switch has been left open. So this is the representation of the zero sequence network for star star transformer with the both the neutral grounded. Case number 4, the transformer connection is star delta. So primary side is star, secondary side delta. So if there is a delta means for that side, the shunt switch will be closed. So here you can see shunt switch has been closed. While this primary side, their neutral is not grounded, so this switch A will remain open. Again, there is a no star on the secondary side, so and so this switch B will also open, while primary side ST side has no delta, means this side will remain open, this side will remain open. So this is the equivalent network of zero sequence impedance for star delta transformer. Star is ungrounded. Fifth case, primary is delta, secondary is star, and star point is grounded. So since primary is delta, so if you find the delta, then that side shunt switch will be closed. This side switch will be closed. But there on the prime ST side there is a no star, and means that switch will remain open. So series switch will remain open while there is a delta, so that shunt switch will be closed. Now secondary side or LT side, the neutral point is grounded, means this side switch B will be closed, and again you can't find since it is a star, so shunt switch will be open. So this is the fifth case of zero sequence network. So this is the equivalent, this is the zero sequence network for the delta star where star is grounded. So these are the case. Similarly, different other connection sequence network can be drawn. So what you can conclude here, for a transformer, since it is a static device, so leakage impedance of the transformer, if you even you change the sequence, remains same. So the positive sequence impedance will be equal to the negative sequence impedance. The first thing. Second thing is that the zero sequence impedance of a transformer will depend upon the terminals connection and terminal condition. Terminal connection means whether it is a star or delta, and condition means whether star is grounded or ungrounded. So for a different case there will be different connection and there will be different value of the zero sequence current. So in a transformer, positive and negative sequence current as well as impedance remain same, while the zero sequence current changes and zero sequence impedance also varies, depends upon the terminal connection and terminal condition. So thank you very much. So definitely now you know why the positive sequence impedance and negative sequence impedance uh, are equal while zero sequence impedance varies. Thank you.